The Supreme Court was back in session today hearing the substantive arguments on a substantive case, the interpretation of Article 97(1)(g) and (h) of the 1992 Constitution. Whether or not upon a true and proper interpretation of these 4 MPs have lost their seats. Joe Gatti led the team.
For Article 97(1)(g) and (h) will only take effect, if the act, that is the person leaving a party by which was elected to join another party or to become independent and seeks to remain in parliament without new political coloration, so to speak.
Attorney General Godfred Yeboah-Dame said the conduct of the Speaker unlawfully and illegally upset the constitutional order of the country.
Insofar as Parliament is constituted by a certain number of MPs or members of Parliament representing those constituencies, the composition of Parliament shall not be altered except as prescribed for in the Constitution. So no person or authority, with all respect, has the power to make any decision at all or construe the Constitution in a way which will alter or change the composition of Parliament except as stated in the Constitution.
The Speaker of Parliament, Alban Bagbin, was not represented in court today. During the entire proceedings, from the start of this case up until now, he has been represented by Mr. Thaddeus Sorry of Sorry at Law, and today there was no representation. The court took due notice of that.
There's nobody here for the Speaker of Parliament. First defendant. All right, by court, no representation for Speaker of Parliament. We note also that the Speaker of Parliament has not filed any statement of case or memorandum of issues, despite the opportunity given for them to be filed. This matter is for hearing this morning. Can we hear counsel for the plaintiff? By court, the judgment of this court will be delivered tomorrow, 12th November 2024. Yeah.
My lords are most grateful.
Lords, we are grateful. Why, I mean, of course, being entirely the prerogative of the first defendant to file anything at all, respectfully, I think that if the first defendant came before the court at last agenda, represented by counsel made representations before the court to file submissions at a certain point in time, elects not to do so, and then for no reason at all, elects also not to appear before the court. Clearly, that is disrespect to the court. I made this observation because I'm the Attorney General, leader of the bar, and all that. Such conduct, with all respect, should not be tolerated by the court.
Leave it to us, Mr. Attorney General. Leave it to us. I would rather advise that as a member of the bar for which you are the leader, you should reach out to him at the close of these proceedings to find out if everything is all right.
My Lord, indeed, my friend, the Chief State Attorney, reached out to him on Friday to find out if processes are done by him. So we've done our bit. Hardly did we expect that he would not even show courtesy to the court by not showing up. Thank you very much.
Honorable Attorney General, I think at the last agenda, if my memory serves me right, you also said, when we asked that you should file processes, he said he had instructions to deal with the matters that he did, and then
he will go for further instructions.
So if he has not been employed again.
No, but my recollection is that was before the firm agreement and then statement as to when processes will be filed by the court. That was before it came. But that's fine.
We have a lot
to deal with. That's fine.
I'm very grateful.
Right.
So if we retire early,
right,
because of the public interest in the matter, we should be able to serve the people in whose sovereignty resides.
Precise.
Yes.
I agree. I'm grateful.
The Supreme Court is now expected to deliver its judgment on this raging controversy on Tuesday, 12 November 2024. The court will decide whether or not the declaration of those 4 seats as vacant was in consonance with the 1992 Constitution, or upon a true and proper interpretation, those 4 MPs have truly not lost their seats. This is such a central piece in the current impasse in Parliament, with all eyes now on the 7-member panel presided over by Chief Justice Gertrude Tokono. Reporting for Joy News, Kweku Asante, Supreme Court, Accra.